This video reviews Sumitomo Corporation's financial results for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, covering the period from April to June 2025. Sumitomo Corporation is a major Japanese trading company and a member of the Sumitomo Group, which traces its roots back to the 17th century. It is one of the big five Shosha general trading companies in Japan, alongside Mitsubishi, Mitsui, Itochu, and Marubeni. Summary. In the first quarter, profit was 170.9 billion yen, which was an increase of 44.6 billion yen compared to the previous year. This represents 30% progress toward the full-year profit forecast of 570 billion yen announced in May. The forecast includes a buffer of negative 40 billion yen to account for uncertainties in the business environment, and excluding this buffer, progress towards 610 billion yen was 28%. The strong results were supported by gains from the sale of Midas in the U.S. tire sales and marketing business, as well as the concentration of large property deliveries in the real estate business. Since overall progress is in line with the initial plan, both the full-year profit forecast of 570 billion yen and the annual dividend of 140 yen per share remain unchanged from the May announcement. Although part of the profit came from one-time gains, the 30% progress rate shows a solid start. Operating results year-on-year comparison. Mineral resources businesses recorded 22 billion yen, which was a decrease of 2 billion yen mainly due to lower prices in the coal business in Australia and other factors. Non-mineral resource businesses recorded 110 billion yen, an increase of 10 billion yen. Although there was a decline from the absence of gains on asset sales in the overseas independent power and water business, profit rose due to large-scale property deliveries in real estate, the consolidation of Net1 Systems into SCSK, an IT services company, in digital services, and a recovery in the agricultural input and service business in Brazil. In asset replacements and extraordinary profits or losses, the tire sales and marketing business in the U.S. recorded a gain from the sale of Midas. As with other trading companies, Sumitomo Corporation has also been significantly affected by the decline in profits from the resources business. Profit by segment. On a year-over-year basis, profit by segment showed mixed results. Automotive segment and diverse urban development segment saw large increase. However, mineral resources segment and energy transformation business segment saw large decrease. Automotive profit increased significantly because of the gain from the sale of Midas in the U.S. tire sales and marketing business. However, automotive sales and marketing saw lower profit from tougher competition in major markets, while automotive finance reported higher profit thanks to lower credit costs. Diverse urban development recorded a strong increase in profit, mainly from large property deliveries in the real estate business. In mineral resources, profit fell due to lower coal prices in Australia. In the energy transformation business, profit fell in the overseas independent power and water business due to the absence of asset sale gains. The full-year forecast for FY2025 remains at 570 billion yen. Progress has already reached 30%, showing solid overall performance. Some segments are advancing slowly, while others are expected to gain from seasonality, new investments, and improved earnings in the second half. In mineral resources, coal in Australia faces a weak market, but contributions are expected from new investments and South African iron ore equity in Q2 and Q4. In chemical solutions, agribusiness sales are set to rise during peak season. Given uncertainties, Sumitomo will continue monitoring second quarter results closely, keeping the 40 billion yen buffer in place. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 4,024 yen as of August 15, and the US dollar stock price is $27.45 as of August 15. Sumitomo Corporation's share price is also on an upward trend, like other Japanese companies. Current PBR is 1.04 and PER is 8.54. Dividend yield is 3.48%. Compared to the past few years, the PBR, PER, and dividend yield indicate that the current stock price is relatively high. Conclusion. Sumitomo Corporation delivered a solid start in the first quarter, achieving 30% progress toward its annual profit target. Results were supported by one-time gains from the sale of Midas and strong property deliveries, though resource-related profits declined as seen across other trading companies. With the full-year forecast and dividend unchanged, overall, it was a good result.